In continuation of cyber ethics, first of all, we have to understand the term net equities. As you know that the term net equities is a combination of two words. Net means internet and etiquette means good manners. It is defined as a special set of rules that govern the behavior of a user communicating online. The communication can via email, forums, blogs, and social networking sites. So, you should know the same standard of behavior online that you follow in real life. For a net equities behavior, guidelines are certain which we can see follows. First of all, use a proper solution and signature. It is all about our identity. Include the subject line. It means before sending and transferring any data, we have to mention the subject line. Keep your message concise. It means message should not be lengthy and unnecessarily. Be respectful and avoid sarcasm. In a social platform, we should not sarcasm to anyone. It means we have to be respectful for everyone. Respect others' privacy. You know that in a global world, we have to based on the privacy. We cannot share data without the consent. It means everyone has to respect the other's privacy. Obey copyright laws. There are certain rules which we can prevent for a plagiarism. The copyright laws are based on that particular. So definitely we have to follow the copyright laws before copying and transferring some data which is available online. Do not include in spamming. Spammings are the source of virus, so definitely we should not include the spamming. Use appropriate language. While communicating, the language should be communicative so that we can explain our things to others. Use appropriate emotions and acronyms. It means it is a time of SMS and short message service where we can communicate while using motions. For this purpose, we should know about the different types of motion and their acronyms before the transferring of data. Do not reveal sensitive information online. Security is a main point of any user while exchanging information on internet, because nowadays we can perform everyday's work like banking transaction and different types of information on internet and in a global networking system. So security must be followed before the exchange of information. Be tolerant and careful. While exchanging information, we should keep in mind that we should be more careful before the transferring of data. So it is all about the net equities which we have to follow before transferring of data on internet.